Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix Snapchat is temporarily disabled on iPhone, which means if you log in your account on Snapchat and you see this kind of error on your Snapchat, so how you can fix that. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. If your account is now logged in, then you can simply do not fix that from your Snapchat app. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply open the Safari app here, and after that you have to simply look for Snapchat support, and after that what you have to do, you have to simply look for a form that you can simply fill that form, and after that you can simply provide the details of your problem to Snapchat support team, and so that they can solve the problem for you. So here what you have to do, you have to simply click on my account is compromised. After that you have to scroll it down until you find the form to fill. So here you have to simply provide here your username, and after that you have to provide your email address. And after providing your email address, if you have connected your email address, then if not, then you can skip that. And here you can provide your mobile number, and here you can simply provide here the description of the problem, which is as that: hello Snapchat team, I have recently tried to log into Snapchat my account, and it says due to repeated failed attempt or any kind of error, Snapchat is temporarily disabled. Kindly solve this problem for me as soon as possible. And if you see this kind of error, then what you can do, you can simply fill all the details, and after that you can simply click on the captcha. You can fill the captcha, and after that you can simply click on submit. And after clicking on submit, your form will be submitted to Snapchat support team, and within few days Snapchat team will connect to you by the email or number you are provided with, and after that they will solve your problem as soon as possible. So hope you have liked this video. If you want to get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.